Hello friends. Today we're gonna do something called drawing meditation that I like to do. And instead of focusing on your breath, like in meditation, a lot of times you'll focus on your breath, or a word or phrase or something, or do a guided meditation. This is a different way to focus. So I'm gonna show you. Okay, let's go. So first of all, let's take a couple deep breaths just at your own pace, in and out, and in through your nose, and then let it go out through your mouth. Just feels relaxing. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna have you take a piece of paper and make a mark on it, anything. Okay, so then what you're gonna do, step one, take that, crumple it up, what? And then throw it over your full shoulder. Whoop. So that's how significant what ends up on the paper is for drawing meditation. Now let's take another piece of paper. Okay, so have your pen. And what you're gonna do is put your pen on the paper and you're gonna bring your attention to where the pen is on the paper. Not so much to the mark it's making as just that it's there on the paper. And if your mind wanders away and starts thinking about making something or that looks like something or whatever, you can just bring it right back to where the pen is on the paper right now. This is nice to do with music playing. Okay, so it's not about this, it's about this. It's about bringing your attention back to this. It's one little point where the pen is on the paper and the pen is going. And it's not like you really even have to move the pen is moving you. Letting the pen do what it wants. Rumi says, I am a pen in the friend's hand. The friend is Rumi's word for God. Okay, you can just do this as long as you want. Like sometimes it's fun to do it to the length of a song. You could set a little timer. It's interesting because you're used to drawing, right? Or I'm used to drawing, and kind of paying attention to what's on the paper while I'm drawing. But this is not so much about paying attention to what's on the paper. Like that's all the past, right? And this is the present where the pen is touching the paper. So it's a way of bringing yourself back to the present. I like it, and I like you. See you later.